Hello, this is Prakash Patil. This is part one of the series of videos for walkthrough of QMCLOUD. In this part one, I would walk you through in creating the prerequisites required before we start deploying cloud resources. Okay, so first we will create a logical entity called workspace. So let me go ahead and log in first. So the dashboard is the landing page. Let me click on workspace in the menu items. And let me click add to add a workspace. So in this case, we will deploy a workspace called CRM that will represent an application. And we will create multiple environments for the CRM application a bit later in part two. So I go ahead and add tags and I click on Save Workspace. So after the workspace is created, the next part is to create a stack profile. So stack profile defines the credentials required to connect to the appropriate cloud provider. So let me click on Add. I select an appropriate platform. So I have the options for AWS, Azure, and Kubernetes. So I will select AWS for now. Within AWS, I will select the AWS default access key and secret key based credentials. So I will specify a name. Let me say SP1. My access key. And then a secret key, the corresponding secret key for AWS credentials. And I also add the AWS region where we intend to deploy the cloud resources. So in this case, I will type in US East 1 and click on Save Stack Profile. So the workspace and the stack profile are the minimum prerequisites before we start deploying cloud resources. So in the next part of this video walkthrough, we will show you how to create a stack. Thank you.